Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is another one of our updates about the works that is currently being undertaken in Savura. We are pleased to make it known that the welding works was completed as of 11 a.m. This morning. The rain last night certainly did not help with the progress of works, but as of 11 a.m. this morning, the site was handed over by our partners, Ellis Engineering, to Flame Tree to carry out the remaining soil stabilization and compaction that is required on the Savura Road. As we speak, our bulk team are currently carrying out valve operations from our Headworks 3 pipeline down towards Tamavua water treatment plant. We're gradually increasing our inflow into Tamavua to have a better control of the treatment process that is going to be undertaken here at Tamavua water treatment plant. As we increase our inflow, so will our production increase, and as such, water supply will be gradually restored to those customers who are affected. Our customers in the lower railway street have started receiving water supply as of this morning as part of our restoration work, which has commenced. The area that has been restored is from Lower Samambola to Lower Nailuba. And we ask those who are yet to be restored to give us some time to increase our production, fill up our reservoirs, and start progressively restoring service to each and every one of your household. We will gradually be increasing the flow into Tamavua water treatment plant moving forward. And as the levels increase, we will start restoring supply. We will be providing you with further updates. And once again, we thank you for your continued support and your patience.